Hi there guys, thank you very much for joining me on this little outing. I hope you are all keeping safe and well and everyone made the best of the festive season, the best that they could do anyway with all the restrictions that are in place. And I'd like to wish everybody a happy new year, and let's just hope this year is more hopeful than 2020. I'm out on my own today. Claire's been working nights last night, so I'm fingers crossed she's getting some sleep at home because she's got another night shift again tonight. Let's just stop here. Is that a cormorant there on the tree? That looks like it is, on that dead tree there in the river. As I was saying, I'm out on my own today. It's the first opportunity I've had to get out and do any recording for a while. Been busy working on the house, and then the lead up to Christmas, you know how it is, work, shopping, that type of thing. Had a few little walks and stuff, but never had any opportunity to get out and do any recording. So here I am. I've come out today, a little walk by the river. So we're in lockdown number 3, so I've kept it local. I'm not far from a house. I was hoping to get off to the woods today, but it's a little bit of a drive, and I thought best just play it safe and stay local. Not that being in the woods by yourself away from people is going to do any harm, but yeah, anyway, it's nice to be out. A little bit wet, we've had some hard frosts lately, which has been lovely. It would have been nice to get out walking, but I've had to work. But still quite a lot of rose hips on this rose. They're a bit soft and mushy, but it's a nice little bit of colour in the dullness of the winter. Plus it'll probably be good food source for the birds, I should imagine. Oh, let's carry on. Well, that's the direction we need to be heading, and as you can see, it's fairly flooded, so I'm going to have to see if I can find an alternative way to get round. Well, so far so good. So we're back on the riverbank now, and I'm just going to look for a nice little spot to stop off for a brew and a bite to eat. This looks canny. We'll have a little look further down and see what else we can see. As I was saying earlier, it's absolutely amazing to be out. Good for mind, body and soul, and at times like this makes it even or seem more important. It's nice to listen to the birds. Let's have a little look up at this one. These are actually fishing pegs. Ah, this looks canny enough. I can sit on there. Get down here without slipping. right on the river. Yeah, I think we'll stop off here. Looks like this is it. I'm going to stop off here. It's a nice enough spot. So I'm going to make a brew and then we'll get the firebox lit and do something to eat. I am pretty hungry now. I've just brought some hot water. I can always make another brew as well. Let's have a look, see what we've got. Cup of Earl Grey, I think. And these little pyramid bags. I've lost my words there. Right, let's get some more water in that and we'll enjoy this brew. Right, let that brew and enjoy it. Right, here goes, let's try this. Oh, delicious. Beautiful that. It's a little set of tea bags, all different flavours that I got for Christmas. I absolutely love anything like that. And this Earl Grey is really nice, it's quite subtle. It's beautiful. I've got brought another one with me. And this one is a Harrington Premium Single Origin Black Tea. As I've said in other videos, probably, I don't do milk and vile stuff. So yeah, this is really nice. Right, I'm going to get the firebox out and we'll get that lit and we'll get some scran on the go, because I'm quite hungry now. Guy going past there on one of them paddle boards. They look absolutely amazing fun. That must be some sort of insulation suit, because you would not want to go in there with all the ice and that the snow starting to melt into that water. I would imagine it'll be a little bit chilly and catch your breath for certain. No, that does look good fun. Now we'll set the firebox up. It's actually the first time I've used this since October. As I said, November and going into December was really busy working on the house, getting some jobs done that we've put off for a while. Right, I've just brought a bag of sticks for convenience. Do you know what? I'm going to give it a go, lighten it with a bit of hay and some of this stuff. What's off the bark off honeysuckle. Bloody hell, don't know if it's up with me today. I'll get a bit of char cloth. Right in the centre there. A knife. Ferro rod. There we go. Go. Small sticks. Smoky. sticks. Now we'll just let that get established, and I'll put some more wood on. Ooh. Another fantastic use for these nail mats. There we go, we've got the firebox burning away nice. We'll get the ridge monkey, we'll get some food on the go. You seen my bag on my ridge monkey? Last time I went camping, when I done a solo camp back in October, I think it was it October or September? I cooked some pork steaks, put it back in it, put this back in here, left it to one side, and mice had chewed through my bag, so I'm gonna have to get a new one of those. But I love this little bit of kit. Maybe we'll shot that there. I think we'll need half of it. There we go. Put that on. Right. Let that heat up a little bit. We'll get some sausages on the go and some bacon. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Nice. We've done that. Put that down there with the rest of my rubbish. Well, that's all cooked nice now. So I'll get my bread roll. Already buttered. And I've put some sriracha sauce on. Oh, that looks epic. Now we'll get some water on to boil. We'll have another brew. There we go. Enough. One side. The lid on. There you go. Sturdy enough. Fantastic. Right, we'll get that on to boil and we'll get that eaten. Let's have a little try anyway. Right, looks like we've got a boil, so we'll take this off the heat. A bit warm. And what we'll do, we'll let that burn out, and we'll just let that settle. Because I think if you pour it straight away, then it flash boils on the side further up where it's hot. It tends to give it a funny taste. Does anybody else feel that does the same? Right, that should be cooled down plenty now. So we'll put the tea bag in, put the lid over to one side, get some some water poured on there and let that brew. And then just enjoy me brew and spending a little bit more time out here.